Hello everyone, welcome back to the craft room and day 21 of the Gummiapan Advent Calendar. And day 21 is this little bush in a pot. So that looks more to me as an outside potted plant than an indoor one. And what I've pulled out already, I've got a card blank made, and I've got this 3D embossing folder by Holtz, which is just the brick wall, and some card to do that in. I will grab some card to cut those out a few times. I've got some alcohol markers to do the pot and the trunk, and I've got some distress inks to do possibly the wall. I might keep it white, I might put a bit of fired brick on it. And I've got Rustic Wilderness, Mowed Lawn and Bundled Sage to do the actual greenery on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these cut out. So I shall cut 3 of these and a couple of these, and I'll run that through the machine. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. Okay, so there's our bits. Let me just push out these little bits. I'm going to do those with alcohol markers in a moment. The same with one of those and his stalk. So I'm going to do one of these using the inks. This embossing has come out really nice. So that's going to be our bit of background. I won't use all of that. And once we've coloured the tree, I'll then look and see if I want to put any colour on that. So let's pop that to one side as well and get on with this. So like I said, I have Rustic Wilderness, Mowed Lawn and Bundled Sage. I've got some water somewhere. I'll have to use that one. So I'm going to put down a little of each. Some water. And just do a little bit of smushing. Right, let me dry that and I will smush again. So all you need to do is just keep doing it until you like it. I like that. Okay, so let that fully dry and we'll do the pot and the stem. So for the stem I've got these two. I'm just going to do a bit darker at the top of each of them a bit where the shade might be and a bit at the bottom, and then put that over the rest. So there's that bit done, and these are 3 for the pots. So let's do the brown in on the sides, a little bit on the bottom, and a bit where the top meets the bottom. And then with the next shade in, pull it in a little bit more, going over what you've already done. And then over the whole lot with the lightest colour. And on this one I'm just going to do the top part. Oops. Oh, wrong one. So I'm just going to cut that top piece off. And stick that on. Just make sure we've still got a hole there for that to go in. Let's get this stuck together. So that's that. Let's just clean this up a little bit. That's going to go on there. It's not going to be that big, so you need to ignore some of that. It's going to be a smaller one. So what I think I'll do is I'll put a little bit on and see if I like it. I can always cut this again. I only want to give a hint of brickwork like that. That'll be enough. looks nice with a little hint in there. So let me get tidied up and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to get this stuck in here. And I've got a matte layer, and with this I'm going to tear it, I think. I don't want it to be straight. Like that. Tear the bottom and tear the top. Okay. I think I might just ink around the edges a little bit with whatever's left on the brush. Like that. I might put a bit of brown on there as well, I think. So let me just do a bit of this, not much. Just a spot, like that. That was Vintage Photo. So that's going to go on there, like that. And like that, and I think I might put a little bit of something in the back behind that. So that, I think this is Indigo Blue stamp set, which was free with their magazine. So I'm just going to put a bit of that on there. Not overly worried about how it comes out. So I will still use that because I can't find a block at the minute. I think I'll keep it brown. So let's do a little bit of Vintage Photo as well. So let's pop that. Make sure we got it the right way up. I don't know, that looks the right way up. So let's get our pieces. what we're doing. So do we want a piece of let me cut it and see if we want it on there. I think that looks nice. So let me get this stuck together. Okay, I decided I wanted to do some splats on there. So let me just grab a brush and pulled out the vintage photo again. So let's just get some of that watered down. Yeah, that's what I want. So let me get this stuck together. And there we have it, today's card. Day 21. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye.